Apparently there is no low light setting on this thing, so it's just going to be blurry, and then I'm going to try to get a bunch of stills and then try to put together a collage of what the show felt like if you had come in person. The two Ford 9000s, they're not on. So right there in the middle. If you just center of your screen, you just can't see them because they're not on. Just another car carrier. Right? This is a crane truck. He's got green backlit and green underlit, but dump truck. This illumination package. You know, this one's great also. See? Yeah, I'm gonna have to stitch it together separately because, well, I'm close enough to it. I don't care. I'm just gonna stitch together blur, and I'm gonna put a soundtrack underneath. Little for the pickup trucks. I like that long. That's the Ford Ranger too, which you can't see. All you can see is the parking lights. But Dodge underlit. So a lot of these guys are local guys, Pennsylvania. A couple towing services. Here's the action. It's way down there at the end. That's what I'm trying to get to. This is the Chevy Bison. I know the GMC was called like a Grizzly or a Rhino or something like that. I'll tell you one thing though. Just the 2 days that I've spent here, I've heard some of the weirdest rap music I've ever heard. It's probably why I don't listen to it anymore. Ooh, look. You got a dump truck over here with the crazy blue illumination. This one right here is good, it's looking good. I don't know what it looks like on the screen, but that is light blue, bright blue. Oh, this is a Marmon. I can't believe a Marmon, which appears to be a cab over that was built into a motorhome. Marmons were supposed to be the Rolls Royce of the industry. Very expensive. And I think Marmon is still in business in Texas, but I think they only build like 1,000 trucks a year. Because they're custom built for the operator. Lost of this. Even dope. Got a green, got a hauntingly green Illumination. Man, this thing would be scary on the interstate. 2 o'clock in the morning? Whew. Get to the we'll pull back because you guys are missing it. You're missing the goodness. I got these guys yesterday. These are some beautiful trucks. It's a flatbed. This is nice. It's another dump truck, Peterbilt. Woo! Well, I'll try to get video. Oh, look, a white. It's a white freight. Cab over it. Right? White freight trucks. They got bought out by GMC, and then GMC sold the whole operation to Volvo. So, White's still around, but they make like cleaning equipment now, right? And they also make the vehicles for the military. So, that was a white Freightliner cavalry. It had to be from at least the early 80s and late 70s. Dump trailer. Is it? Yeah, it looks like one of those grain trailers. Where it's like, and what it does is it tilts the whole truck, the whole trailer backwards. Tints on the glass on this Kenworth. I want to get some of the cab overs. Let me slide down that way and show you some of the cab overs. Now this feels like a party right here. Let me show you guys some of these cab overs. Oh, these are the 2 Kenworth cab overs I took yesterday. I got these Kenworths yesterday, man. I gotta show you, you know. All right, this is Peterbilt, looking mighty fine. I think this is a 379. I'm gonna ask that. You know. Oh, it's beautiful, man. Was it 379?
79, 1995.
Yeah.
2.5 million miles.
All right.
Got a 3406.
Yeah.
18 speed, 355s.
Yeah. Nice. I'm trying to get it as best I could. It's in the dark, but I probably have to turn the flash on. Now let me try it.